Hello everyone, my name is Swazi Sarkar. I am on behalf of the team Code Crafters. Today I will discuss about our IoT based topic. The topic is electrical vehicle diagnostic tool, and here we have drawn a schematic view of this project. So let's understand how we did this. Basically, we need mainly three components that are one breadboard, one Arduino, and one LCD. So basically, we have used LCD 16 into 2 panels, and it is a small size breadboard, and that is a Arduino Uno R3. And along with those, we need one potentiometer, which is works as a LCD screen brightness operator. We have another potentiometer that we have used as current sensor, and we have another potentiometer which we have used as voltage sensor potentiometer. And along with that, we have another also temperature sensor which detect the temperature. We have also adjusted a LED with the Arduino. Now let's understand how we did this. So first, we have connected the 5-volt supply to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and also the ground terminal with the negative terminal of the breadboard. And so basically, we have got two bus lines. So from there, we just give supply to the LCD screen, like let's say the first terminal, that is VCC. Sorry, that is the ground. So basically, the ground has gone to the ground terminal of the breadboard. So ground to ground short. Up next, the VCC. VCC goes to 5 volt. Okay, perfectly done. After that, we have a V0. Now, here's come the interesting point. So V0 is acting like a contrast. So now, what is the function of the contrast? So we have connected the contrast with the middle point of the potentiometer. And now, what does it do? So basically, this acts as a uh, screen brightness sensor. So if we can regulate the screen brightness by adjusting this potentiometer. But due to some default settings of this Total Tinker app, we need to fix the potentiometer at the maximum position. Only by that we can actually see the values of readings of the systems in the LCD panel. Up next, we have connected some the cables with the pins A0, A1, A2, A3, etc., 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 etc. And from there, now let's understand how can we actually use the voltage and current operations. So for the voltage, so first we take the current. So there is a terminal 1 which is connected to the positive end, like 5 volt, and the terminal 2 goes to the ground, and the middle terminal has gone to the uh, A1, perfectly one. And then we have the voltage. So again, the positive terminal 1 goes to the 5 volt, terminal 3 goes to, terminal 2 goes to the negative ground, and the middle point has gone to the where F4, perfectly. And then the temperature positive, terminal 1 goes to 5 volt, negative again to the ground, and the middle point this time to A2. Okay. So basically, this is the entire circuit design, and let's understand the schematic view. So this is the schematic view where you can see the pin connection of the LCD to Arduino Uno to some resistors, and also have a alongside on an LED. You can also see this, but I am not discussing a lot about this. And now come to the coding part. So this is the basically the coding that you need to operate the circuit. You can see that the voltage pin goes to A4, the current pin goes to A1, and temperature pin goes to A2. That we have already done. And the LCD being 16:2 means we are using the LCD 16:2. And from there, we have given a delay of 2000 seconds. And by there, we can actually adjust every coding. You can, if you want, you can actually copy that and use. And now let's see the simulation. So, for the start simulation, okay. So, this is at the maximum position of potentiometer for screen brightness. What if we reduce it? So you can see that that is only a blue screen. no point. So we need to increase it, increase it, increase it, increase it, and at the maximum, here we can see the values. Now come to the voltage. So this is the initial voltage position where you can see that 5 volt and which is our supply. From there, from there, from there, from there, from there, from there, from there. At the end, it is 0. So we can understand that this is the maximum position, this is the minimum position. Let's keep it at moderate. Taken to the current. Current at the maximum 5. At the minimum 0. Again back to minimal. And there we have a temperature. But we cannot actually adjust the temperature, but actually we can. So like this, we can actually adjust the temperature. That's a great thing. Okay. So this is the basically our function of this whole view. I hope you all understand. And thanks for watching. And thanks on behalf of the code crafters. Thank you.